Welcome to Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will going to the object track and count, and you can see the easy to object will be detect and count. So you need three files. One is the video file, one is the tracking library, and main script is the we are targeting of the main file. So let's going on. First of all, in tutorial we will learn object tracking with Opencv and Python. You can see we can easily first must what would be different between the object tracking and object detection. So you can see the object detection every single frame after just like you can see the frame per second, and the object is frame by frame tracking. Okay, but keep the history where the object in the time after time. Okay, so let's going on. First of all, we are open the PyCharm. After you can see open the your PyCharm you new project. Okay, so I just open the already for create the folder. I'm just open the my folder object underscore try. You can get from the our account Pyresearch. You can easily get from the Git account, link in description. You can go to the nucoco 99 profile, and you can see here the reports you get from here object track with OpenCV and Python. So we will talk first about the object detection and how to apply the object tracking to detection. So you can see it. Then we are going to the our PyCharm will be open. Okay, you need two files. One is MP4 file, means video file. You can see the here the you can follow our step by step. Use 3.9 version. You can see the all dependency will be. Now he said invalid configuration. Go to the we can go to the okay. Let's see. Looking for the downloading. Okay, it's taking time. Do not worry. 1 minute, 2 minutes. So we are open the our folder main folder. So you can see the one file, video file. Okay. So here the our main library, and here the main source file. So let's discuss one by one. So you can get code from here, and you press the button, you go to the video site, and you get first of all here video. Okay, so it's very simple. So we are going to the tracking file. So what is the possibility of the application? The possibility application different examples count how many people are in the certain area, checking how many objects pass. Okay, so you can see what is needed with three files. Okay, we will discuss of the three files, main file and tracking file is already write down. Simply you can see here the write down. The I want to explain the main file tracking.py. You can see the calculation and one simple function, uh, just like a certain positions of the objects. Okay, you can change it yourself, and uh, just like IDs, counter IDs from the 0, 1, 2, 3. Now object will be boxes in our ID and IDs, x-axis, y-axis, width, height, and you can see that we are targeting the center right and find the object of the uh, detect already. Okay, so you can put here formula of the uh, just like a distance formula, and centroid formula x axis y in targeting x axis y axis. Okay, new object is detection. We assign IDs and object. So clear the directory, center point IDs will be used. Okay, updating the directory and uh, not used to remove. Okay, this algorithm will be explain the targeting of the main areas. Okay, so I think we can just run it. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, if you face to any problem, you go to the PyCharm. Here the references. Here the you can see the project and the Python interpreter, and you can see the plus sign, and here the you can set your path. We use 3.9 version. Here the plus path. We need only Opencv, Opencv Python. So you can see the here the line, not initialize the Opencv. We go to the same and plus sign. Nothing to show what kind of happen. I think we should try to check the internet. Our internet is okay. So you can see the this type of problem will be happen. So do not worry. Just install the here the icon reload. You can see the all dependency will be showing you. So you can see the OpenCV slash Python. Sorry, same column Python and install packages. Uh, Python package will be installed. Okay. So after installation will be done, you can see the all OpenCV. Yeah, it's done. Okay, and okay. So you can see the this error will be not showing. Under line will be not showing. So it will be done. Uh, Now we can run it easily. You can see the all the pins will be cleared. Just press the run icon and you can get the result. Now we are discussing the main script will be showing. So step by step will be discussed. Here the import two libraries. One is the OpenCV and second one is the tracking. After you can see the load the what kind of the load creating the tracking object and load one video. I will show you again. uh, you can see from here and load the video and object the object detection stable from the camera. You can mention the height and width. Okay, I will show you 200. Okay, it's depend on you what kind of you use 100, 200. uh, One loop frame per second will be continue. Width height will be mentioned and you can select it point what kind how much region will be used. Okay, it's depend on you extract the region of the intercept. Then object detection part mask will be just like you mention the mask equal to the object underscore directory and row you mention the selecting points. uh, you can see after the mention all points of the mask. You can mention the one loop, calculate the remove all small elements, and mention the area. Okay. You can mention is also 200. Object tracking, you can see the now object detection will be done, now object will be tracked. Uh, you put here the test from the ID from 0, and you mention the rectangle one by one. Okay, three windows will be shown. I will like see. I will show you 2 and 3. Okay, you can check it out. 11, 12. Okay, so after will be key will be to press the. I think we should put here the 30. We should put here Q button. Q. Pressing Q will be destroy all windows. So I hope you like it, and our target exploring the more projects and the more concept of the Opencv. Now we are exploring in next time in upcoming time for the IoT based projects in agriculture, in poultry side, in industry 4.0. So I hope you like it. Kindly support our channel. Keep in touch